For loop, this is used to make a loop in this case. Just like I can here write any program for I, okay, in range of between 2 to 10. Okay,
Okay.
and this one is start with the 0 by default and end with the given number minus 1. It means exceeded last one, excluded. Okay,
Okay.
so if I can write here, start with the 1 and end with the 20, or right here 15. So, so it will start with the 1 and end with the 14 because last one is excluded.
Mm.
So this is for loop. Like this, here we have one things start with the start one is include, last one is exclude, and if we want to take one step, then it write like this. Here it means start with 10 and goes to the 1 and take minus 2 steps. So 10, 8, 6, 4, 2. Okay. If I write here one step minus 1 and write 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 4, 5, 3, 2.
Okay.
Okay, so this is used for making a loop. We can also, no. Now we start the run the pattern printing.
Okay.
This is a typical structure to print any pattern. The number of row and column in the pattern outer loop tell us the number of the number and the rows used to inner loop to tell us the column used to print pattern. So this one is our row. Meant, I can show on the page. This one is our row and this one is our column.
Mm.
If we
Okay.
want to write anything in this pattern, so we use pattern printing. Okay,
Ah.
you can use anything, any typical things here. Star has anything. Okay,
Okay.
so here I can make for row in range of 4. Okay,
Okay.
it go to the 4, and for column in range of row plus 1. For every row, you can add one thing and print star. If you want to print anything here, any other thing, you can print here. And end with the this one and print these things, then it make like this one. Okay, if I can
Okay.
give here space, so it also give space between stars. Okay,
Okay.
understand now what it means. While loop, this is used for the two purpose, for checking the condition and run the loop. Firstly, check the if else statements used for checking the condition, and for loop is used to run the loop. Okay, so here we can use both in next in while loop. Okay, bro.
Okay.
It's like here I can write a is equal to a is one variable and write a zero is a number. while a is greater than, sorry, a is less than 10, then print a, and here in which we give also a is equal to a plus 1, and then last print the end. So firstly it run the a, okay, then here it come, firstly it add a plus 1 and then write here 0, then again it go here a, a plus 1, here I write 1. When the condition is become false, means a is not less than the 10, then it write the end. It means when our condition become true, then then we come out from the loop. Okay,
Okay.
you can write any type of program. Firstly, you check the condition and then it make a loop. Suppose I can write here a is greater than 10. So the end. Because first condition check and this is true, and then write only that.
Okay.
Okay, any doubt, bro?
No problem.
One. Okay, next one. Here I can give any user input. Okay, I is equal to 1 while false. When our condition become false, print I. And here we can also give a one condition I plus is equal to 1 and then print the end. If our condition is not true, then what it gives? The end. Again, I can run 5. 5 gives and while loop. Now I can. I is equal to 1 minus 4. So now it create a unlimited loop
Hmm. How will you kill that?
because this condition never become a true. Here we can give I is equal to 1. Okay, then we can give while true, print I, and here we write I plus and is equal to 1. So every time it add 1 1 1, firstly it check this condition, then add 1, never we becomes minus 4. So
Hmm.
that's why it make a unlimited loop in our this thing.
No, bro, you did not use a user anywhere. Just you are getting the output, but you did not use anywhere.
Yes, we have not used this.
So there is no use of user.
Break, it is used to break the loop. Continue, it continue when the value find, then skip this value and continue from the next one. And pass if we want to any code, if check but do not run, and we want to, we don't want any error in the input, so we can use pass. Like here we make a one loop for I in range of the 10. If We got I is equal to 5, then break. Else
Okay.
print I, print outside the loop. Okay, this is